What's up, guys? I'm Winchester. Today we're on Skinclub and we got $1,000 balance, guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video, guys, we have a link in the description. Don't forget to check it out. You can get some rewards with this code. So let's go on our video. I will try some battles today. I will create one, 2 versus 2. So I will add some cases. So I will add covered battle 6 times. Let's add it 6 times. So let's see, royalty case. 6 times, 3 into 4s, 11 times. I'll create for a $750. Let's create it and I will be on the counter-terrorist side. And let's start with boss. Let's go. Okay, we got a alright revolver here, $16. MP7. Oh, they got a USP $30 print stream. It's not looking good, but we hit the Glock for a $42. FAMAS. That's good. Alright, revolver, $16. Okay. Oh my god, we got a god knife lure for a $200. Looks like we're gonna win this case battle, guys. Nice, that was a good hit. So let's see. Glock 9. Oh my god, what the hell? What the Bro, you got a god knife and a $3,000 AVP the Prince. I can't believe this shit right now. Oh my god. Is this for real, dude? That's amazing. Bro, that looks bad. Oh my god, they hit the tiger to bayonet. Oh my god, $1,500. That is too much, bro. VSPs here. Okay. We already lose this case battle, so it doesn't matter. The last cases, it doesn't matter. Last two case. And here, Trinity Force. Oh, they got a Deagle also. 84 couple distribution. And they won with what? They won with. Wow. They won with $3,000 each. That's amazing, bro. That's a great profit for them. Unfortunately, we didn't get it. So, I will try some cases then. Let's try the kitchen waves for a $34. Let's go. And here we got a AK-47 front side Misty. It is $30. Let's try it again. And here this is the girl Starcade. 68. That's good. Let's go. And here Scar 20 Cardiac. It is $7. That's bad. Let's try it again. Oh, Shadow Daggers was close, but we got a Zeus Olympus. It's at $9. I'll try for the last time, then I'll change the case now. Let's go. And here, Scar 20 Cardiac. Again, the bad item, $7. So let's change the case. I will try Tropic Boom for a $12. Let's go. It is M4A4 Neonair. It's $6. Let's try it again. UMP 45 KO Factory. It is $8. Let's go. EMP 45 KO Factory, $8. Let's try it again. And here we got a SG553 integral. It's $18. Okay. Now I will try for the last time. Let's open it 2 times. Let's go. And here, let's see, we got a P2000 and a USB, $3 to $2. Okay, now I will go to the upgrade section, try to upgrade the skins. So I'll choose this, and for a $85 Glock 18, no, I will try 2x. God knife, rose gold, 47% on the right side. Let's roll, and looks like we lost it. No, yeah, we lost it. Okay, I will try the items with 10x. Let's go. $1,000 borrow forest butterfly knife. I will try the left bottom side. Let's go. Let's roll. It looks like, come on, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. We got it, we got it, come on. Dude, we got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, we got our money back. That's a good upgrade, bro. That was great. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was a great video for us. See you in the next one. Goodbye.